Hi guys, this is Stefan from DocuMocu. I want to give you an update where we are with DocuMocu. So let me show you where we really at with DocuMocu. So this is basically the documents listing screen where all the documents or proposals you create will be listed. We have some filters here for search, for dates, for status, for owners, recipients, etc. So all this is currently working. Next we have a templates section where you can create templates and reuse them when you create proposals or documents. This is ready as well. We have a catalog for products. So basically here you can create products for your services, or if you offer some products you can add them here as well, and then you can reuse them when you create your proposal in a pricing table. So this is ready as well. Contacts is basically the place where you can manage all your contacts. I already have a John Doe contact, so I will use this for the proposal I will be creating in a bit. Then we have some settings. So all the settings are currently working, so you can change basically your workspace icon or your logo. Then you can configure custom domain name, so you can white label DocuMocu. You can also add custom email domain, so all the notifications will be sent through your email domain, again for white labeling. We have some settings for documents like expiration, out reminders. So all these are global settings here. Then we have some branding settings. For example, you can change again the style of notifications by adding your logo. You can change the accent color, the button color, the email subject, and the footer text here at the bottom. We have notification settings, so you can configure which settings are basically which notification you want to receive for your proposals, and again profile page where you can configure like passwords, two-factor authentication, time zone, language, and the default signature. So all these are ready as well. Then we have a dashboard. So this is not ready. So workspace activity dashboard. You'll probably add it like pretty soon, so in the next few days. Then we have a document activity where you can basically track your documents by status, like sent documents, viewed, completed, which means they are signed by the recipients. Okay, so now let me show you the actual proposal editor. So I will change this. Okay, so I'll create a new document. For our first version, we'll be adding probably between 30 and 50 templates in DocuMocu. Currently these templates are in the works, so they're not visible here. So I will just select a blank template and name my document WordPress proposal. Okay, so here we can add recipients for our documents. So this is me, already added, and we can choose a role for the recipients, whether he needs to sign the proposal or just receive a copy. So I will make me needs to sign, and then I will add John Doe as well, who needs to sign the proposal. Here we can add recipient verifications. So basically we can protect our proposal with a passcode. So when the recipient open the proposal link, he will need to enter the password that we can add here. Okay, so let me continue to the document. So this is the proposal editor. In terms of interface, since we're targeting creative agencies, we try to make it similar to a design editor like Figma or Adobe XD, but again with less options. So it's not really a Figma, but you can do a lot here. So on the left side we have the pages of our document. We can add new pages, can duplicate pages, see page properties, things like that. On the right side, we have different tools. So we have a text tool for writing text. For when we select a different block, here on the right, we have some options, like for the text, we have font size, alignments, and things like that. Then we have an image, so we can add images to our proposals like this. Okay, and we have some options for the image as well. There are other options to add images in your proposals. So this was the first, but we can drag and drop images as well. So we can drag and drop images. We can also just copy images and paste them here. Okay, and we can also take screenshots. So for example, I can take a screenshot and again paste here. So those are different options for adding images to your proposals. Next we have a video component. So we can add a video from YouTube, for example. Like this. Okay. Next we have tables. So we can add different tables, like for example a schedule or something like that. The table has some many options here, like border variations, border color, text color for the head, for the header color, text color, raw color, and alternate raw color as well, plus some text options for the cells. Okay, and we have a pricing table where you can add again your products or services here, and the pricing table has some styling options here as well. And we have some basic tools like a rectangle, so you can use this to, I don't know, make some shapes, maybe like this. Okay, so let me create a proposal real quick so you can see what you'll be able to do in DocuMocu. So I will be creating a WordPress development proposal. Okay, this will be the first page of the proposal. Let me change the background of the page. Okay, and we want the title, so maybe something like this. And you would center on the page. Then I need my logo. Something like this, and here we add some text. Like this. Okay, so this is our first page. We can rename the page to intro or cover maybe. Okay, let me create the second page for our proposal. So this will be a text page, but I need to change the background. So it will be a bit nicer. Okay, and we'll add some text here. Okay, we can add more text as well. So you get the idea. So this will be basically like a text page of our proposal. I will duplicate this page. And add another page. So this will be about page. This will be the title. And maybe something like this. Here we can add some images. We find some images of the team, maybe. Okay. Can add some more images. Maybe something like this. Yeah, maybe. Need some work, but you get the idea. Some text here. So this is our second page. I will make this about us. We can also add some video maybe here. I will make this like intro, maybe introduction. So we have cover introduction about us. Again, I will duplicate this page. So this will be our approach. Okay, so we add some bullet points here. Maybe 30. So this will be planning. Okay, and we add some text below each step. Okay. something like that, and we will add some bullets here. Okay. So this is our approach page. Okay. And finally we want a pricing table. And I will remove this. This will be at the bottom. Here we want the pricing table. Maybe we can add some text at the top. Okay, and here we want our services. So design a logo. What progress development. SEO. Yeah, it's pretty cheap. So okay, and maybe we can change some of the colors of the table, like the header color, the border color, and we can remove the outline. Okay. And here we can add the signatures. So this will be me, and for John Doe, what signatures here, but I want them a bit at the bottom. Okay, so I think our proposal is ready. Yeah, this needs some work. So now let's see the preview of our proposal. So here is our proposal, and we can send the proposal to our client. So we can send it on an email, or we can just share a link. So each recipient has his own proposal, his own link, sorry. And let me show you. Basically, this is the sign page of the proposal where the recipient can sign the proposal. Here will be actual previews of each pages, but this is not currently configured on my local server. So this is our proposal, and we can basically sign like this. So here you can sign the recipient can sign the proposal by his signature, or he can also upload a file. So I will just sign this, and yeah, so this is signed by our recipient. So that's it for now. We will post another update next week. Thank you again for your patience and for your support, and I wish you a great day, and bye bye.